this video, the Deadbolt is gonna be getting aluminum suspension links. We're gonna switch it all out with these links right here. They're all aluminum and they're a direct swap. They're the exact same sizes as what is on this Deadbolt. The kit I got did include a bunch of extra screws and a little hex wrench. These links come unassembled. You have to put all that together when you first get it before you can even start putting these on the truck. And also every link is marked with the length. When I put these on, I'm gonna put them on upside down. I like a cleaner look without the marking. So now we're done with the back. We have the suspension hooked back up and we have all the aluminum links on. The back is the simplest. Now the front, you have to work around the drive shaft a little bit. You could actually take it off if you wanted to, but I think you could get that Y-link in and out without having to take the drive shaft off. When you put this Y-link on, you see how this side is flat and then this side has a groove in it. This is the side that the drive shaft has to be on. So the groove side will go facing down towards the ground. So there it is. We are all upgraded to the aluminum. I didn't change these plastic drive shafts out because I have something planned for them. I'm actually going to be doing the 4-link conversion, but I just wanted to do this just to show how you do it. So if you don't know what that is, it's adding 2 links and taking out this Y-link, and it'll stretch the front end out. Now I'll probably have to get rid of the bumper because it might stretch it out a little too far and the servo is going to hit this bumper. I will be doing the 4-link conversion in the next video. So earlier I weighed the aluminum shock links and we had 14 grams. How much do the plastic weigh? 5. So we gained 9 grams, which makes me wonder how much does this weigh now, because last time I weighed it in, I was at 9.2 ounces. We're at 9.6 ounces now for the overall weight of this Deadbolt. I'm really starting to feel the weight, how much heavier it is. I'm gonna have to do the FuriTech brushless motor upgrade soon because I don't think this stock axial motor is gonna be strong enough to move all this weight. So let's try one climb at 50 degrees. $50, that went up pretty easily. And I even have the double barrels on the front, so the front end was lifting up a little bit. It's still stuck to the plywood, and I think at this point, I might be able to climb the dam. But first I wanna do the 4-link conversion. Then I'm gonna throw all the brass on and put the bead locks on, and then we're gonna climb the dam. So we're about 2 videos away from climbing the dam. But thanks for watching this metal upgrade to the suspension links on this SCX24 Deadbolt. So click that subscribe button if you did not already, and I hope to see you here checking out the next video.